In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a tail lamp on a Jeep Cherokee. It's located in the rear of the vehicle on the body. After opening your tailgate, you're going to see there's two T27 Torx bolts. You want to remove those. Then you want to pry on this end here straight out. Take your plastic pry tool, pop it in, give it a twist, and come straight out. Once you get that tail light out, you want to disconnect your connector. It's just a button on the top, you push down, pull it away. And there you have it. When you were prying on your tail lamp, you were trying to take it off these two posts. You want to align these two posts onto your rear panel. Your new tail lamp has LEDs that are here, but it also has a reverse light on the back that's just a regular old school bulb. Just want to make sure that bulb is good before you install. To install, just take your plug it in, listen for that click. Put your tail lamp onto the rear panel. Line up your two holes and push. Now you're ready for your bolts. Once you have those two posts aligned and you push in, now it's time for your bolts. Once your tail light is secure, you want to close your hatch. And just make sure that your tailgate doesn't hit your tail lamp. This one looks good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.